With Summer gone to her new home now, there are only 4 puppies here. And they're having a wonderful 4-way tug of war. Well, a lot of people wonder, what happens to the other puppies and to the mother, who is right here, when a puppy goes to a new home. They don't really show any outward signs of missing the puppy who is not here anymore. They just carry on, and when the next one goes in a couple of days, the other 3 will carry on, and so on. It's not a problem. The interesting thing, though, is that if a puppy comes back to visit after even months' time, as Zilla chews on my pinky, they have a great scent memory. As you know, dogs' sense of smell is extremely sensitive, much more sensitive than human sense of smell. And when the puppy who has been gone for a long time comes back, the other puppies and the mother greet them with a very, very special greeting, where they obviously recognize them and know that this is somebody that's closely related to them, and they will romp around and have a wonderful time even if they've been separated for a long time. It's amazing how this toy's been around here for a while now, and they still love it. This toy has gone through several litters, and somehow it just maintains fascination with the puppies. Kind of interesting to note that not only is Mother Bootsie out here, but the half-brother / cousin Jamba is also here. He has taken an almost mother-like instinct toward these puppies and wants to stay out with them, play with them, and watch over them every time they're outside. And I do appreciate the help. And now we're back to one of our favorite activities, chewing on sticks. Yeah, you got a stick. So, here's Apple, and you will be seeing her because she's not going anywhere for now. Joy, only be around for a few more days. We got Zilla, and wrestling with his mother and got her pinned is our big boy Henley. Also out here joining the crowd is Boo's sister Lizzie. Lizzie is actually due to have her own litter in a matter of just a few days. Where's the puppies? Let's look. Let's see. There you go. Oh, she's quite large. We're expecting probably 5 puppies, although we did not do an x-ray this time. We're going on the basis of the earlier ultrasound, which is not as definitive in terms of predicting the number of puppies. But we know there are at least 4, very likely 5 puppies in there. So she's just feeling the weight of carrying all this around. But mothering instinct is very strong, so she will take good care of them. You'll be a good girl.